Welcome to Driven Legends. This is a Mercedes-Benz 250 SL Pagode, one of the most elegant roadsters ever built. Not a car designed to impress with speed or power, but with balance, engineering, and timeless design. Today, cars like this are often called perfect classics. And at first glance, this one looks exactly like that. Fresh paint, rebuilt engine. Everything looks ready. But this project is not about making a perfect car. It's about understanding what makes a classic truly right. This channel is about legendary cars and the decisions that define them. Because every restoration is built on choices. What to replace, what to restore, and what must stay original. Most restoration projects start the same way. If a part looks old, faded, or worn, it gets replaced. Not because it's broken, but because it doesn't look perfect anymore. Replacing parts feels like progress. New parts are clean. They arrive ready. They make the project move faster. This is where it's decided whether a car keeps its soul. Because restoration is not about speed, and it's not about making everything look new. It's about understanding what you're working with. Original parts were not random. They were designed for a reason, built with specific materials, and aged in a very specific way. Once you replace them, that information is gone. That's why, before touching anything, we stop and we start asking questions. Is this part really damaged? Or does it just look old? Can it be cleaned? Can it be restored? Or does it truly need replacement? These decisions are slow, invisible, and often ignored. But they define the final result more than anything else. Let's take a closer look at these headlights. Two headlights, same car. One looks old, the other one looks new. Same shape, different condition. You probably thought we replaced it? That would have been the easiest solution. But this is not just a headlight. It carries the car's character. So we chose restoration over replacement. Now the rear. Two tail lights, same car. One faded by time. One brought back to clarity. The difference is visible, but the parts are original. You might think they were replaced? No. The same parts, handled with care and respect for time, brought back to life. Not every decision in restoration is visible. Some parts will never be noticed by most people, but that doesn't make them less important. Take these interior parts. Some of them can be restored, some cannot. Knowing the difference takes experience. New parts can look flawless, but without the spirit of their time, something feels out of place. Restoration is about harmony. Not every shiny part makes the car better. At Driven Legends, we believe restoration is about responsibility. Responsibility to the car, to its history, and to the people who will see it decades from now. Because originality, once lost, cannot be recreated. This is where the final stage begins, after the body restoration and the engine rebuild. Welcome to Driven Legends. If this story resonated with you, you can subscribe and turn on notifications. More chapters of this Mercedes 250 SL Pagode are coming soon.